Hey there, just a quick video for Tutorial Tuesday. One of the biggest issues people have when building a Mi-arm is that they over tighten the joints. So I'm just going to show you how it should go. So this has been really tight, so yeah, I'm having to push my finger. There's some force going on there. Servos aren't particularly strong, so if your whole Mi-arm is tightened up like this, it's not going to move very well. So once you've built your Mi-arm, and check it over and see if any of the joints are tight. So if you've got something like that, give it a little, like a quarter turn, and you'll find that you can move, that the piece then moves, you say like a marionette, so like a puppet. So if it's being held by the servo, it'll stand up, but if it's not, it'll move around. And you want to have it so that not so loose that it moves around too much laterally, so side to side. And you just want to find a sort of a sweet spot where it's tight enough not to move a lot in the socket, but loose enough just to fall under its own force. And there you go. That's just a little couple of tips for our Tutorial Tuesday, which is a Facebook feature. So every Tuesday we're doing a short tip, reposting some of our old videos of builds and things. So there'll be something on there. So I'll pop this on YouTube as well. This can act as a daily diary. I'll probably cut this shorter than that, and I don't know what daily diary it is because I've been building a house for the last building an extension probably for the last year. So anyone who's watching this on YouTube, I'll see you soon. Anyone watching this on Facebook won't see this, but bonus YouTube content. See ya.